Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is the formation of the Philippine archipelago, a journey through geological time. This is Quarter 4 of Earth and Space Science for Grade 11, General Science. Again, this is Quarter 4, Earth and Space Science, Lesson 3. The formation of the Philippine archipelago, a journey through geological time. Intended learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, the learners will be able to understand the role of plate tectonics. The Philippines formation is a direct result of the movement, collision, and subduction of the surrounding tectonic plates. Recognize the significance of subduction and volcanic activity. The majority of the islands were created as volcanic island arcs formed by magma arising from the mantle as a result of plate subduction. Identify the key plates involved. The primary plates are the Philippine Sea Plate, which is subducting beneath the Eurasian Plate, and the Eurasian Plate itself. The Indo-Australian Plate also plays a role in the formation. Explain the concept of island arcs. The Philippine Islands are not a single landmass, but a collection of multiple island arcs that eventually converge. The geological history of the Philippines is a complex narrative of colossal forces shaping the Earth's crust. It began approximately 60 million years ago when the first islands, including parts of the modern-day Mindoro and Palawan, emerged as the supercontinent Pangaea separated. The formation of the archipelago is largely attributed to the following processes. Subduction. Subduction is the process where one tectonic plate slides beneath another. In the case of the Philippines, the denser Philippine Sea Plate is subducting under the less dense Eurasian Plate. As the Philippine Sea Plate sinks into the Earth's mantle, it melts, creating magma. Volcanic activity. This magma, being less dense than the surrounding rock, rises to the surface, creating a chain of volcanoes. Over millions of years, repeated volcanic eruptions built up masses from the ocean floor, forming a series of volcanic island arcs. The Philippines is essentially an assembly of several such arcs. This is why the country is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire and has many active volcanoes such as Mayon and Pinatubo. Collision and accretion. As the tectonic plates continue to move and rotate, these individual island arcs collided and merged or accreted to form the larger islands we see today, like Luzon and Mindanao. The collision of the Philippine Mobile Belt with the Sundaland Plate also resulted in new subduction zones, which further contributed to the formation of the archipelago. Unique cases. While most of the islands were formed by volcanic activity, some, like Palawan, have a different origin. The limestone cliffs of Palawan were once ancient coral reefs on the sandy shelf that were uplifted by tectonic forces, demonstrating the diverse geological processes that shape the country. The constant movement of these plates continues to this day, leading to frequent earthquakes and ongoing volcanic activity, which are defining features of the Philippine landscape. The forces of erosion and weathering caused by wind, rain, and ocean waves have further sculpted the islands over time, creating the diverse and beautiful terrain of the archipelago. Another intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, learners are expected to explain the geological processes that led to the formation of the Philippine archipelago, differentiate between the major theories explaining the origin of the Philippines: Pacific theory, Asiatic theory, tectonic plate theory. Illustrate the role of plate tectonics, volcanism, and earthquakes in shaping the country's landforms. Relate the geological history of the Philippines to its present-day natural resources and hazards. Demonstrate critical thinking by evaluating scientific evidence supporting the formation of the archipelago. Introduction. The Philippines, an archipelago of more than 7,600 islands, did not exist in its present form millions of years ago. Its formation is the result of complex geological processes involving plate tectonics, volcanic activity, and oceanic movements. Understanding how it was formed helps explain why the country is rich in natural resources, yet also prone to natural disasters like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Theories on the origin of the Philippines. Pacific Theory by Bailey, 1912, proposed that the Philippines came from the Pacific Ocean floor. Volcanic eruptions created land masses that eventually became the islands. Strength explains volcanic origin. Weakness lack evidence on how land masses stayed over water. Asiatic Theory by Fedor Jagor, 1859, and Bailey Willis suggested the Philippines was once part of the Asian mainland and got separated due to tectonic movements. Some islands were believed to have drifted away from Asia. Weakness. Geologic evidence shows the Philippines was never directly connected to Asia by land. Plate tectonic theory, the modern explanation. Based on the plate tectonic theory, the Philippines lies between Eurasian plate and the Philippine Sea plate. The collision, subduction, and interaction of these plates led to the uplift of land masses, volcanism, and earthquake activity. The Philippine Mobile Belt, a complex zone of deformed rocks and trenches, form the backbone of the archipelago. This is the most accepted scientific explanation today. Geological processes that shape the Philippines. Plate collision and subduction. The Philippine Sea Plate is being pushed beneath the Eurasian Plate along trenches such as the Philippine Trench and Manila Trench. Subduction caused magma formation leading to volcanic islands. We will have the next part of our Earth and Space Science Lesson 3.